Hello everyone, here we've got brand new iPhone 17 and let me show you how to check for software updates. So first of all, open the settings, then find and select General, and here click on Software Update. Now just wait, your device will be scanned. And as you can see here, we've got the notification. So once there is a new version available, you will find this Update Now icon. And once your device is up to date, you'll be just see the current version. Let me mark it for tonight. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.